Press A and delete all. Now add a circle, adjust its size a bit. Enter edit mode, press F to fill. Now extruded, press S, increase the size, extrude again. Press I to inset it and extrude it inside again. Now add bevel modifier to it, adjust the amount. Then right click and apply shade smooth to object. Now add a curve path like this. And again add a curve circle. Adjust the size of circle. Select the path, go to curve option, find bevel option, press object selection, take the eyedropper tool and select the circle. Select the circle curve, enter edit mode, and now tweak the side vertexes like this. Reduce the size of upper and lower vertexes to make it sharper like this. Select the object, now enter edit mode. Select top vertex and press Alt S and decrease the size. Now select bottom vertex and decrease the size. Rotate the object straight. And now tweak the object as followed. Now place the leaf in center of pod. Press Shift D, copy the leaves. Rotate them, adjust the size. And now tweak it like this. Select all the leaf and then select the pod, press P and parent the object. Now add background to scene and now adjust the camera to the scene. Add area lights to the scene. Something like this, adjust the amount of area light. Select all the leaf and press L and link materials. Do the same with base material. Change the color of background. Tweak the scene as you like. And here's the final render of our 3D plant. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe my channel for more video like this. Thank you.